guys. Today I'm going to be solving this Rubik's Cube. Okay.
Hey guys, hey Blue Freddy, I just solved my Rubik's Cube here. So
How?
yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna.
Give me 1 second, because I'm good at this.
I'm just gonna solve mine. Okay.
Okay.
Let me lie down so I can solve it. Now don't. Okay. Time to solve. Solving. I'm solving, guys. I just like doing it slowly so the camera can see. Okay, solving it. I'm solving it slowly. Slowly but surely. And then the next part. This is complicated, guys. Solving a Rubik's Cube. And there you go, it's solved.
Wow, that took you like a minute. For me, it took like 3 seconds.
Oh, okay, fine. I solved the Rubik's Cube though. Okay, that's my solving.
Take this hammer. Bam.